Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan, and today I will show you how you can download any Instagram reel without any additional app. First, you need to open the Instagram app, select the reel which you want to download, press the arrow icon, and add reel to your story. Don't worry, this will not add the reel to the story, you just have to download it. Wait for it to load up, and when the reel is loaded, you can download it as it, or you can just zoom in for better viewing experience. Press the three dot icon in the top right corner and save. This will save the reel to your phone storage. This processing is the reel being downloaded to the phone storage. Wait for it to finish processing. Okay, now the video has been downloaded. It is saved. Now I'm going to show you where you can see. Go to your files, videos, and there you can see there is an extra folder named as Instagram. Here is the video. Open it, and this is your saved reel. Now let me show you what is the resolution of this reel. I'm going to go to the details, and as you can see, this video has been downloaded in the max quality possible. And that's been it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.